Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I needed a door and window sensor for my HomeKit system, so I went and found this one here that's by Aqara, I guess. Aqara. And let's check it out and see how it works, see if it connects up. I think it connects up through Zigbee, so we should be okay. If I can open it. There we go. I just don't want to get stuff all over the floor here. But let's see what we got here. Yep, there we go. We'll open this up together. So it comes with a little manual here. Actually, a pretty big manual. Look at the size of that thing. Probably every language in the world. But let's see what we got. So empty box, and then this is the unit. Look how small this one is. This is really nice and small. This is the smallest one I've ever seen. Small one in a big box. Is there anything else in this box? No, this comes with a lot of, there's the stickers for it, I guess, to mount it. And then this is the device. Look how small that is. How cool is that? That's nice and small. You won't even see this thing on most windows. So there we go. So let's try to connect it up here. So I have a HomeKit system, is what I'm currently using. So I'm going to do the add a device, and here we go. It's going to add, I'm just going to say, Zigbee, and then I have to pull the little tab on here. So now it should be activating, I guess. Whatever I have to do, I don't know. Okay, whatever I did, I think I just pushed the button too many times on this thing here. So I just waited a few minutes and did it again, and then I found it immediately, and it says, give your device a name. So I'm going to call it door contact and select the room. I will skip the room, and it says device added. So let's see device details. And okay, so to get it to work, I finally got it to work. You can kind of see on here, you can see it says closed, and then if I take it away, it says open. So it does work. See closed and open, and none of the other stuff. I'm going to reset it, so it doesn't matter. But so it does work. I had to install a separate driver for it, but it works, and it's nice and small and super convenient. So I'm going to say these are pretty cool, and definitely a thumbs up. Just take a little bit of work to install the driver. So if you're going to install this with HomeKit, make sure you get the driver for it. But just Google it and you'll find it. So no problem. So awesome. Thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.